Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, May 3, 2023. Today is the day of the FOMC announcement. Yesterday was a pretty ugly day for the market, selling off ahead of that announcement, and that's what we're going to be putting together, those two pieces of information for today's Daily IQ. I've selected all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. The overnight session is currently fairly quiet at the moment, but we are trading higher. So I'm going to go to the opening filters, click on gap up from the gap direction. The next thing I'm going to add is from the price patterns library. And I'm just going to say that yesterday was a lower close. I can grab that from the active today, or I can just hit the equal sign right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library. I usually use two indicators for this because we're going to be looking at FOMC announcement day. I'm just going to use one because that doesn't happen all that often. I want to keep as many samples as possible. So I'm just using the 200. I clicked on above the 200 right here. And the last thing I want to grab is from the market events library. I'm going to grab that today is FOMC announcement. I'll get that from the active today section right there. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you were gapping up on the FOMC announcement day and the prior session closed lower, but above the 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 37 samples here in the S&P, 35 in the NASDAQ, 35 in the Dow, 25 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on these, they are all very similar, around 43%. So you got S&P 43%, NASDAQ 43%, Dow 43%, Russell 48%. If we look at the average moves, the average move to the upside is larger than the average move to the downside in the S&P. That's also the case here in the NASDAQ. For the Dow, it just barely qualifies, and same for the Russell, just barely qualifying. Those two are about the same in size. So two of them, I would say, have larger average moves to the upside. Two are about the same, and all four of them have win rates that are a little bit less than 50%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.